Fun for the family inside and out. Find this 2019 Flagstaff Classic Super Lite 832BHIKWS travel trailer at Gillette's Interstate RV. Outside is a gas grill and a pull-out kitchen complete with a sink, cooktop, and refrigerator. Pass-through storage is found on both sides of the camper. A ladder goes up to the radius roof. This trailer has a 21-foot long power awning with an adjustable rain dump and LED light strip. Inside the kitchen, you'll find the refrigerator, cooktop, and microwave. The island has an undermount double bowl kitchen sink with a residential-style faucet. The living area's entertainment center features a multi-zone stereo with DVD, CD, AM, FM, and Bluetooth control. Next to the stereo is a 32-inch LED TV with a premium soundbar. A dinette and hide-a-bed sofa offer a place to sit in the living area. On one side of the bunkhouse is a set of bunk beds that flip out, and on the other side is an upper bunk. There is also an end table, a wardrobe, and an LED TV. The bathroom has a radius glass shower and a foot flush toilet. The master bedroom has a queen-size bed with a nightstand on each side. The bedroom also has shelves and a large wardrobe. RV shopping has never been easier than on Gillette'sInterstateRV.com. Gillette's knowledgeable experts are only a click away or phone call away at 517-721-7513. So stop by Gillette's Interstate's RV, shop online, or give us a call today.